AI agents are rapidly emerging as the next digital frontier, poised to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, automate tasks, and enhance decision making across various industries. These intelligent agents, powered by advanced machine learning and natural language processing, are designed to perform tasks autonomously, learning from their environment and continuously improving their capabilities. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Building and rolling out AI based systems can indeed appear daunting, often requiring significant resources, time, and expertise. The process involves not only developing complex algorithms but also integrating these systems into existing infrastructures, ensuring scalability and addressing potential risks like bias, data privacy, and security. At the same time, generative AI is revolutionizing the landscape of AI agents, adding substantial new capabilities that are making them more powerful, versatile, and easier to deploy than ever before. Traditionally, setting up and managing AI agents required significant technical expertise, time, and resources. However, the integration of generative AI is changing this dynamic, making these agents more accessible and effective for a broader range of applications. The concept of AI agents has evolved significantly, moving from simple rule based systems to sophisticated entities capable of handling complex tasks. Early AI agents were limited to specific, predefined functions such as virtual assistants that could set reminders or answer basic questions. Today, AI agents are far more versatile, capable of performing a wide range of tasks from managing entire supply chains to providing personalized customer service, driving cars, and even creating content. AI based agents are increasingly being recognized as the next frontier in the evolution of artificial intelligence, according to a report from McKinsey. The report highlights the growing influence and potential of agentic systems, defined as digital systems that can independently interact in a dynamic world to transform industries and drive innovation. Moving forward, the future of AI agents is boundless, with potential advancements that could lead to even more sophisticated and autonomous systems. As AI technologies continue to evolve, AI agents are likely to become an integral part of our daily lives, driving innovation across industries and reshaping the digital landscape. The next digital frontier is not just about what AI agents can do today, but how they will transform the world of tomorrow. Let's look into today's headlines. Cartoon Network website closes after 26 years. On August 8, the Cartoon Network website, which had been up since 1998, was taken down. Now users are led to the Warner Bros. Discovery Max platform where they may watch series like Adventure Time and Teen Titans Go. The network will continue to stream 11 hours of content a day from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. with an emphasis on social media. WhatsApp has extended the community group chat duration setting. With the latest version of WhatsApp 2.24.17.11, users may now customize the duration of events for community group chats. The last version that included event management tools is followed by this functionality, which is accessible through the Google Play beta program. A WhatsApp representative said this will streamline community event handling, enhancing centralized access and organization for large groups. Google and Meta accused to have collaborated on advertisements aimed at teenagers. Teenagers are the target audience of for Instagram advertisements on YouTube, which Google and Meta are apparently working on jointly. A report claims that the collaboration between the two tech behemoths also bypasses Google's policies on the treatment of minors. According to the report, this has also sparked questions about digital marketing's ethical and privacy policies. Apple Satcom partner, Global Star targeting the Indian market. Global Star, a major participant in satellite communication, which is SATCOM services and an important Apple partner, has made its plans to enter the Indian SATCOM market. Global Star revealed intentions to establish a fully owned subsidiary and build an Earth station gateway on Indian territory in its request to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. AI-powered face recognition to be used by Indian Railways. The Indian train network is integrating cutting-edge AI and facial recognition technologies into its CCTV cameras to improve security and reduce crime. 4K cameras integrated with AI video analytics from Harta Security, a South Korean firm, shall be installed in the train coaches by the Ministry of Railways. To guarantee all encompassing monitoring, 38,255 coaches will be equipped with 8 cameras each, while other coaches will have different configurations. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.